Hope you are doing very well, guys. So in this one, what we are going to see. So quickly, we are going to see about the day-to-day life in your development profile. You might have come across about these different kinds of build tools for the front-end development. So like NPM, Yarn, Grunt, GULP, Browserify, and the Webpack. So in a short, if I'll say, so NPM and Yarn is your node package manager. So if you wanted to install some of the dependency into your project, for example, like while you're creating the React project and you wanted to use the Redux as well, so you can install that dependency with the help of the npm or with the help of the yarn. Grunt and GULP both are the JavaScript task runner. So some of the tasks that you wanted to automate into your project, for example, like testing, minifications, all the time you are not going to do both of it while you are running your project. So it gets automated with the help of this Grunt and the GULP tools. Browserify and the Webpack. These are the tools you can use it when your code is production ready. So once you are done with the development and you wanted to ship your code to the production, so you create a single file. So both of these tools can help you into that one. So just have a look on all of these tools. Small slides you can just have a go through. I will stop it over there for a while and you can have a look on it. So this is the comparison for npm and yarn, grunt and the gulp, and Browserify and the Webpack. That's all as of now for you guys. And for more information, you can check the description of this video. I have added some of the links of the official website for these tools, so you can just have a look and play around. We will see the more details in our project as well. I'm going to add all of these, but in the later videos. As of now, that's all. Thank you guys.